to install Oba in the northern part of the country, like the way they install Emir.
It is the case of two chameleons fighting themselves. Do you understand? They were these people that removed Jonathan from government. So if your enemies are fighting themselves, you should be happy. These are people that removed Jonathan by propaganda. They removed Jonathan by how do I put it? By lying, by instigating things against the innocent man. But you see, when God wants to fight for you, God fights for you. God has fought for Jonathan. And if you see Jonathan now, he's looking more healthy, he's happy. The one that fought against him now, they want to fight themselves. They always fight themselves. That's how it is. If two hypocrites are working together, fight will always separate them. So you're not saying that Tinubu want to install Emir. Let him install Emir now. See, since you are installing president, giving the South president. But they tell you that it is the North that decide who will be Nigeria president. Let Tinubu be two, deciding your Emir there too. 1-1. If you can claim that it is the North that gives us our president, then let Tinubu to be giving you to your Emir. So if Tinubu bring, take it like that. It's as simple as that. It is a game. So the both of you are playing game. The North is playing game with the South. South want to play game with the North. Now they look at how they are crying now. Yoruba everywhere, Yoruba everywhere. Under Buhari, not everywhere. You understand? There are not people everywhere under Buhari. So if Tinubu come with Yoruba everywhere, good luck to APC people that supported them. I'm not part of their party. They know I'm not part of them, and they know me very well. And I cannot be part of them. You understand? So it's as simple as that. So when Kokaso is complaining, they should sit down, find a way, behind closed doors, and iron out their issues. There is no way or any manner that you think that someone like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you have made him, before he became a president, you know how powerful he is. Now he is the president. Before that man, he was not a president, you know how powerful he is. Now that he's the president, I don't know. Like I interviewed many people this morning, they said 2027 they are not going to vote because the result may have already been written down.
Is that why Obasanjo is shouting now?
Yes, because as a Nigerian, you ask yourself, are you proud to be a Nigerian? That there are Nigerian people that are in prison in Ghana, they are in cell. Nigerians have been deported from Niger, from Chad, imagine. That in my lifetime, if somebody have told me that a time will come when CFA franc of Benin Republic here is bigger than Naira, I will say it's a lie. But I knew how much my father changed 6,000 Naira with in Benin, 2001. I saw it, large amount of money. But now, even one CFA franc is bigger than 1 Naira. They're talking about. So it seems that picking it, they say see finish don't enter Nigeria. They have see us finish. These people they've known that Nigerians are not serious people. Nigerians are not Nigeria as a country have not yet taken that leadership position, which we are. We are supposed to be. We're supposed to be the giant of Africa.
Instead of Tinubu sitting down very well, maybe to look inwards on how to get people to buy into his unworkable policies.
Yes.
Let me put it that way.
Yes.
He's busy releasing more and recruiting more attack dogs. Is it just to cover up for his failures?
You see, he that lives by the sword will die by the sword. We saw how these people, how they attack Jonathan, how all these machineries, maybe propagandists and everything, how they attack Jonathan. But now, good news is here. Whatever you sow is what you reap. So I think that they are beginning to reap, in my opinion, what they've sown against good luck. The chicken may or is coming home to roost. So when you see appointment here, appointment there, even the person that says if you give Jonathan Tinubu 20 years, he will not perform. They have appointed him. But I ask myself a question. Nigerian politicians are very shameless. Maybe you don't have anything doing. How can I, for example, accuse somebody of something and the person later give up and you later accept it? But well, you know, Nigerians are, I don't know, we are, our species is very special, very very rare. Where we sit in, where we do things, it's very very rare. If you give Tinubu 5,000 20 years, he will not perform. He gave you appointment. Collect. Where is your shame? Where is your integrity? Where is your need?
Is it the reason why? But we have seen your man all over the world, in America, in Asia, in Singapore, in Africa, everywhere. Recently,
Yes.
he was at Yale University,
Yes.
where he went to. Was a guest speaker in one of the oldest universities in the world.
Yes.
Why is it that Peter Obi have not rested?
Peter Obi is a star and is a light, and nobody can cover a light. Wherever he goes, that light he needs will show. You cannot give what you don't have. I always told you. You cannot take an alligator from Ogba, take it to Ikeja and become crocodile. You cannot take a goat from Ogba to Ikeja and become a cow. You are what you have. You can't. You see, when Peter Obi speaks from the level of intelligence, you want to listen to him because he has something here to offer the world.
But why is it
So
that?
ordinarily, leaders may or will want to listen to him. Some people say, see, these are very, very, very simple things that even the deaf can see, the deaf can hear, and the blind can see to some extent. Understand? So Peter Obi is way and shoulders above the rest, and the rest they know it. That's the good news. Peter Obi is way and shoulders above the rest, and the rest people they know it. They know that this man is above them. But in Nigerian politics, the worst somehow keeps getting to power. And then what can you say about Nigeria? The worst of the worst keeps getting to power. The people that ordinarily should not be seen near power. Some people that ordinarily should be in prison. Some people that ordinarily should be ostracized. You see them coming to position of power.
So what is the North actually up to now?
We don't know. Other people, we don't know about Jagaban. He's a Jagaban truly. You must give that man his flowers. When it comes to politics in Nigeria, Nigeria politics, Nigeria's style of politics, give and take, snatch and grab, all those stuff. That man is number one. And people like that, they've known the weakness of Nigeria. Peter Obi will not give you money to buy votes. Peter Obi believes in the rule of law. Some people don't believe like that. They are ready to give you their life.
Will PDP learn their lesson now? Look at what happened in Ondo.
They will never
Look at what happened in Edo State. You know, they were busy saying party. And before you know it, opposition get more ground. But this government, you know, have not given any space to Atiku or Obi to even raise their voice. What does that actually mean?
It's as simple as Nigeria may be headed towards a one-party state. Nigerians may, so someone should not misinterpret what I'm saying, may. You understand? So it is opposite people that should not look at themselves and tell themselves the truth. It is high time that, well, what am I even talking about? Poverty is the biggest factor in Nigeria. It's not about religion, sir. It's not about time. Poverty is the biggest factor as we have it currently in Nigeria. Poverty is the reason why a normal man being cannot think like a normal man being. Where a 50-year-old man is thinking like a baby, the brain is not complete because some level of poverty may have been inculcated in him. Poverty is the reason why Yoruba and Igbos are fighting, in quote fighting. Hausa Fulani. Under Obasanjo, how many times did Yoruba Igbo fight? Tell yourself the truth. When Igbo man does his business, he makes his money, Yoruba man. But now, the scarce resources, when resources was plenty to some extent, how people were fighting. But there seem to be like there's scarce resources. People want to fight for it. So poverty factor in Nigeria will not allow you to see good governance
But Obasanjo that is talking now
Yes.
was so federal character, federal system
Yes.
under his government, you know, where the whole ethnic nationalities are represented. PDP to an extent, you know, carried Nigeria
Yes.
and Nigerians along.
You are right. Yes.
What are we seeing now? We are seeing the Fulanization agenda under Buhari. We are seeing Yorubalization under Tinubu. What does that actually mean? Are we hoping to see 2027 the Igbo-nization of Asuro?
The way I'm seeing things now, Tinubu is coming back. That's my opinion. Tinubu is coming back, and there's nothing because the opposition are not together. They may not be cooperating, but there should be at least some level of cooperation. So when there's level of cooperation, people will say yes, but I don't think that there are level of cooperation, and people may be tired because okay, look at Ondo State. The highest bidder may have won. Look at Edo State. Highest bidder may have won. But a woman was saying it in Yoruba language that they received money. Though we have to be sincere, you don't mention any political party. I received money. That's what the man said. I don't say it. So that means with the one that they've received, poverty in Nigeria, take it or leave it, it is intentional. If there is no poverty, who is going to vote for the 5,000? The more Nigeria descend to poverty, the more vote buying. If we know about rigging, then now I'm talking about complete rigging and complete vote buying. I keep saying it that there are people that are talking now. If they give them 1,000 naira now, yes, at Nigeria of today, in Lagos here or in anywhere, they will vote 1,000. One. You give them one. So when you look at it, to and fro, it's not about Igbo, it's not about Hausa, it's not about Yoruba in that center. It's about Poverty, 7-letter word as a monster. Poverty is the biggest bane of Nigeria. Not poverty. If poverty now goes forth, what follows is illiteracy. So there's poverty here and there's illiteracy there. A man that is poor does not know anything and is illiterate. Till now, you are seeing on the street that Tinubu have good interest. So it is another people that want to spoil his government, and people are still saying it. A sane human being. Even a goat cannot think like that. And I keep saying, I said, in Nigeria, there are some people that a goat can think more than them. In this country, there are some people that if you take a cow, the IQ of a cow is bigger than their own, and they are human beings. So if a goat can think more than a human being in Nigeria, then there's a problem in that country. I told one man, I said, it's an elderly man. I said, your brain is like a chicken brain, but you cannot think, and you have children. Yesterday I told the man in that place, I said, this is your brain. Don't cross over don't cross over to New York, this is your brain. You don't have anything upstairs. I told the man, don't cross over New Year with this your brain, because your brain is not working. And the reason why the brain is not working is when there's much level of poverty and illiteracy. And these are intentional. Your leaders go outside all over the world, but they're holidays. When they come back, look at your country, 2024. Look at Nigeria 2024. With the amount of resources that we have, with the way God has blessed Nigeria, look at the surroundings. Does it look like a nation where God has blessed? You ask yourself. After asking yourself, then make your conclusion.
Finally, everyone, what is happening in the north now?
Yes.
I'm talking about the springing up of jihadists in the north. They are already celebrating their infiltration and their conquest in the southwest.
Yes.
If it comes the way it is, what would you think the Yoruba nation under Tinubu should do at this point?
Tinubu is the president of Nigeria. I talk about Yoruba nation. I don't think that the Yoruba leaders have that have that zeal to stop the invasion.
But they have taken over 29,000 human beings from the southwest since they started.
I don't think that Yoruba leaders have that zeal to stop that nonsense. But it must be stopped. And it should be stopped. But do they, I don't think they have it.
But the only way they are saying
they
can, okay.
227. But human life is more important than politics. That's the question that we should be asking ourselves. Treat human life, treat people the way they're supposed to be treated. Treat them the way God has created them. But everything is politics. Oh, 2027 election. So what's the way forward for Nigeria? Let's stop deceiving ourselves. We cannot continue like this in 2024 as Nigeria.
Thank you.